children, only dogs. And if you see her in your dreams, be sure you never, ever...
Hey guys, it's Symone. So right now we are getting ready for Halloween. I just decided yesterday, I was like, this is very last minute, but I want to be a doll. I've always wanted to be a doll for Halloween. So I went to almost every single Halloween store and I was like, I cannot find anything. But I actually came across this little outfit. It's called Let's Play a Game. I'm going to dress this up. I'm going to do my hair crazy. I'm going to do my makeup kooky. And I just want you guys to see how I do everything. If you have questions, leave them in the comment box below. And always don't forget to subscribe to Symone.
Do you like scary movies? I'm coming for you.
She had no children, only dogs. And if you see her in your dreams, be sure you never, ever scream.
Here's Johnny. Do you like scary movies? I'm coming for you.
She had no children, only dogs. And if you see her in your dreams, be sure you never, ever scream.
coming for you.
That looks cute. Okay, we can take some pictures. Alright guys, so we're gonna flick up. As you can see, our outfits, this actually was not too coordinated, but we're gonna take some photos for you all. Hope you enjoy.
The scene of Mary Shaw. She had no children, only dogs. And if you see her in your dreams, be sure you never, ever scream.